Great photography isn't just about having an eye. It's about having a tool that can keep up with your creativity. And in 2025, cameras are smarter, faster, and more versatile than ever. We tested 5 of the best cameras for photography in 2025, pushing them in different real-world scenarios. From low-light shoots to action bursts, here's what stood out and who each one is best for. The Sony A7 IV is the kind of camera that doesn't say no to anything. It's got a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor that strikes a perfect balance. Enough resolution for detailed landscapes, but not so much that your storage cries after every shoot. I shot portraits with it, and Sony's real-time eye autofocus was flawless. It locked onto the subject's eye instantly, even when they moved or turned. Wildlife photographers will love that it also works for animals and birds. Low-light performance was excellent, with clean files up to ISO 6400 and recoverable shadows in RAW. The ergonomics are much better than older Sonys. The grip feels solid, the menus are finally user-friendly, and the articulating screen is perfect for hybrid shooters. Video shooters also get 4K 60p, oversampled from 7K, making it a true hybrid powerhouse. Who's it for? Photographers who want one camera to do it all: portraits, weddings, landscapes, and video. Best prices are linked in the description. The Nikon Z8 feels like holding the DNA of the flagship Z9 in a smaller, lighter body. With its 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and 20 frames per second RAW bursts, it's built for serious shooters who don't want to compromise. I took it on a wildlife shoot, and the autofocus tracking blew me away. Birds in flight, erratic motion. The Z8 kept subjects pinned tack sharp across the frame. The detail in the 45 megapixel RAW files was insane, letting me crop in without losing quality. Sports shooters will love the blackout-free EVF when firing off bursts. For video creators, the Z8 is equally stacked: 8K at 60p, 4K at 120p, N-Log and ProRes support. This makes it a perfect hybrid for professionals. The body is weather-sealed and rugged, ready for tough field conditions. Who's it for? Professional photographers, wedding shooters, wildlife and sports pros, or anyone who wants the Z9's performance without its bulk and price tag. Description has the best deals. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II may only have a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, but don't let that fool you. It's one of the best cameras for low light and fast action we tested this year. At an indoor event shoot, the files were clean and detailed even at ISO 10,000. Canon's low light magic is alive and well. Autofocus was blisteringly fast, especially for moving subjects like dancers and speakers. The 40 frames per second electronic shutter means you'll never miss a fleeting moment. What really makes the R6 Mark II shine is Canon's color science. Skin tones look natural and warm, straight out of camera, without needing much editing. For hybrid shooters, oversampled 4K video looked cinematic, with accurate colors and good rolling shutter control. This is the camera for photographers who want a reliable all-rounder, with a focus on low-light, events, weddings, and action. Links in description. The Fujifilm X-T5 is more than just a camera, it's an experience. With its 40-megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS5 HR sensor, you get flagship-level resolution in a smaller package. I used it for a day of street photography, and it reminded me why Fuji has such a cult following. The film simulation modes gave me gorgeous JPEGs that barely needed editing, from rich cinematic classic chrome to vibrant Velvia for cityscapes. The dials on top make you feel connected to the process, letting you shoot with intuition rather than menus. The 40-megapixel sensor delivered stunning detail for landscapes, and the 7-stop IBIS made handheld shooting at slower shutter speeds surprisingly clean. Low-light performance doesn't match a full frame, but for daytime and creative photography, it's a star. Who's it for? Creators who want a beautifully designed camera that inspires creativity while still being technically powerful enough for professional work. Description has pricing. And finally, the Canon EOS R7. With its 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor, it delivers high resolution in a compact body. The crop factor is actually a big advantage for wildlife and sports shooters, giving you extra reach with your lenses. I tested it on fast-moving subjects, and the autofocus tracking kept up beautifully. The burst shooting speed was more than enough for action sequences, and the files had plenty of detail for cropping or large prints. It also has IBIS, in-body stabilization, which is rare at this price, making handheld shooting smoother. On the video side, 4K 60p and oversampled 4K 30p looked sharp, making it a versatile hybrid for vloggers or content creators too. This camera is ideal for enthusiasts and semi-pros who need speed and flexibility without spending full-frame money. Check links in the description for the best deals. We've linked all the best deals in the description below. Make sure to check them out. Which camera fits your style of photography? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on photography reviews. Until next time, keep shooting, keep creating, and may your light always be perfect.